Hello everyone, thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. As a 1,000 subscriber special, today we're going to be unboxing the brand new iPhone SE 3. Looking at the goods and the bads of the phone, and in general, is this worth buying? So unboxing this for me is very exciting as I've never got a brand new iPhone on the day it came out. The first thing, as you can see, there is no seal on the phone, although it is brand new. Apple decided to get rid of it because of eco reasons. So instead we have this green sticker thing that you kind of peel off. Here we go. Then we should be able to open the phone. Oh my god. Here is the iPhone SE 3. Glass back, just like the iPhone 8. One of probably the best cameras you would get at this price. And now let's look at the things in the box. So here we have a charging cable, but no charging brick, Apple. And we also have we've got a SIM ejector tool and some information. And we can't forget about Apple stickers. I think it's time we take the seal off of the phone. So this is the iPhone SE 3 with 4GB of RAM, an A15 Bionic chip, and a 12 megapixel camera. I've turned it on, set it up, and now it's time for the review. Stuff, it's got the best chip in a smartphone ever, the A15 Bionic, the same chip as in the iPhone 13s, meaning it literally flies through this iOS 15 software. Literally best camera in a budget smartphone, has the best batteries in a budget smartphone with 17 hours of video playback. And now for the less good things about this phone. Well, it looks kinda the same. It's the same as the iPhone SE 2, the iPhone 8, and it's basically got the same home button design Apple's been using for 8 years now. If you showed a person who didn't know that much about tech an SE 2 and an SE 3, they would probably think it's the same thing. Overall, great phone, great for like grandparents or something who really don't want to leave the home button design. So yeah, that was the iPhone SE 3. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.